Okay, I have a piece of wood here that my grandson, 4-year-old grandson, dragged it out of the river. This thing's about 4 feet long. It probably weighs 30 pounds. I can't believe he pulled it out. But it was laying on the bottom of the riverbed. And as you can see, it's been chewed on. There, here, there. End of the tree was chewed on. And this back part was chewed down. So it was either part of a dam or a beaver used it as its source of food. There's, let's see, nothing really on the back side of it. Looks like they just chomped away at the front. And I need you guys to control yourselves. And this is a beaver doing this work. And I'm wondering, I'm looking for some creative ideas of what I can do with it. So let me pull out my tape measure. At this end, it's about 6 inches wide. It's about 4 feet long. Skinny end is 4 inches or so, 3.5 inches. So obviously I could cut it in half and make some bowls out of it. But I'm really looking for some ideas. What can I do to keep the beaver marks in it, the teeth marks? What can I turn? What kind of project can I make? I took a whole piece like this. It was shorter, and I mounted it on a piece of rough sawn wood with 2 pieces of 1/2-inch rebar, and made some comment about beaver wood on it. But this is much too big. I did that once before. So I thought I'd put this up and see what all you creative geniuses might be able to come up with. I can use a pressure washer and just wash this down to get down to bare wood. Obviously I could make 2, 3, 4, 5 different projects out of it. Could make just a simple bowl down at that fat end. Anyway, there it is. Let me know what you think.